Okay, thanks for your patience. What I'm going to do now is make the massage very quickly. I did do a little bit of prep to help save some time. Originally, I cut the flowers down short because we want them to fit into this small piece of foam. And you want to make sure that the glue gun's not too hot because it will melt the foam. I used one blue bonnet stem. They're very expensive even for me, so I cut the stem in half, and then I had to take out like 4 little stems, so you'll have something sticking to the foam that's going to go on each side. So let's get started. I'll say this over and over: don't use too much hot glue because it will melt the foam. So just going to make it uniform. It's going to be pretty even. You just want to make sure that you get it in. See, it's not quite hot enough. There we go. Right in. You want it to sort of face forward because when you have it on the hat, it needs to face forward a little bit. And I'm going to put 5 flowers in here, so I'm going to make sure it's still not hot enough. I want to make sure that it lays well. Push. Get that in there as well. I hate those strings, but sometimes they're your friends, sometimes they're not. So I'm going to put the blue bonnets at the top. There's space in between, just enough space in between to put the blue bonnets. So you're going to put the blue bonnets in at an angle. Make sure that it's in at an angle, so when you put it on the hat, they show up. Remember, this is a very, very small piece of foam that we're putting it in, so we want to make sure that it's visible. And I'm going to bend it around a little bit later, and I don't like that it looks very sparse, so I'm going to put my 2 little green pieces in next, one on each side. And instead of this green part, if you don't like the greens, or if you'd rather use baby's breath, this is where you put the baby's breath on that side. And then open this part up. Too hot. So basically this is it. I'm going to shape it a little bit. What you want to do next is turn it over. Okay, I'm back. One step that I did forget, I hope my head's not in this video because my hair is not where it should be, but I digress. So I have felt pads in all different sizes and all different colors, but of course right now I couldn't find the white. We're going to put the magnet onto this, and to make sure that this doesn't melt too much, we're going to put some hot glue onto the felt pad that I cut into a rectangular shape to make sure that the magnet doesn't come off. And I feel the bubbles bursting, so it's on there very well. Okay. The magnet already has a sticky part on it, but I just want to make sure that it doesn't come off. Oh, sticky. I forgot. I always keep laying it down on the sticky side. put just a small part of the bead of glue onto the sticky side, and then I put that down. You want to hold it. And that's it. You really could just use it the way it is and put it on, but this is the part that goes onto the top part of the hat. So after that, you're going to take the ribbon loose, because you're going to put the other magnet right here. Let me switch this out. You're going to put the other magnet right here, and what you don't want is for a lump to be here. So you just take it loose. And once you get it all loose, you're going to put just a little bit of glue on the side, and you're going to hold it down. Put a little bit on the other side. And if you don't like the ribbon, you're welcome to take it off. You're welcome to change it up any way that you want to. But this is what works for me, and this is what worked for my client. So this is why we use what we use. If you look at this, this was my mess. You know, sometimes you have trial and error. Things just don't always turn out perfectly the first time. But I will say, just keep trying until it's where you want it to be. Again, in this box, there's a box full of magnets. You're going to take the magnet, and you're just going to hot glue it. The other day I just used one, but I think today I'm going to smooth it out a little bit, and I'm going to use two. Don't forget to remove the backing beforehand. And we're just going to run a little bit of glue. We're going to do the other magnet right next to it. A little bit of glue. Okay, so when you use the hat, you're going to take these off, and this part is going on the top side of the hat, and that part's going to go on the bottom side of the hat. And to keep this from showing, you're going to put this over it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it around so you can see it a little better. This part is for the hat. You're going to put the veil, you're going to put this under the hat, then you're going to put these on top. And then to cover this up, this is going to be on top of the hat, so that's going to show. And to cover that up, you're going to use another magnet, and then you're going to put the corsage on top. And that's how I did it. So I'm going to get a hat. I don't have a white cowboy hat. I've been wearing hats a long time, so I'm going to have to get me a cowboy hat next. Okay, all I have is this brown hat, and I do apologize. Not for the brown hat, because I love my brown hat, but what I'm apologizing for is to have to put it on this hat. But I'm going to do the video again, but when I do it the next time, I'm going to have the right color hat. Okay, so that's the magnet. It's a very strong magnet. Originally, I bought the magnets to do corsages, for people to wear on their church clothes. See, it already caught. I'm going to do the other one. See, it's already caught. It's already on there very well. And then next, you're gonna, on the top part, to cover that up, all you're going to do is put this on to cover it up wherever you see fit. And then you're going to put that part under the bottom. Come on, don't stick to each other. Gonna be friends. Okay. And there you have it. I think I like it better flipped the other way. But the good part about the magnet, all you have to do is just take it off. And, oops. That's it. This magnet goes on this. All you have to do is just turn it over and stick it onto the hat. I like that much better. Sideways, top ways, anyways. But this is it. Move all my stuff out of the way. And if you make one of these, please tag me in it. And if you need a little bit more specific information, feel free to ask questions. And this will be posted on my Etsy page soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.